Anybody wants to speculate on why gold is cratering? As the title suggests, wanting to steer up a convo about why gold is crashing. Higher interest rates projected for longer. Parking money in metal doesn't make sense when you can put it in a savings and make 4-5. 'Cause a bunch of regards are buying it from Costco, so it's becoming a meme metal. Gold price is correlated to real yield, with $TLT hitting all the low and Fed funds rate at almost 6. This should not surprise anyone. Reddit Gold was backed by real gold. The end of Reddit Gold created a sell-off and an oversupply. Wild guess. Russia has been avoiding banks' international sanctions by paying for stuff in gold they have. State-controlled mines. No one on this side of the Iron Curtain knows how much they have. I imagine the states they've been buying munitions from are starting to unload their stockpiles of gold, and it's causing a crash. I have a lot of questions about gold I'm scared to ask. Like, how is it not boomer crypto? What makes it 500x more valuable than copper? What exactly is it a hedge against? Anytime I try to ask about it, people get angry at me, but they don't actually answer my questions. Gold is a hedge against equities crashing. So if confidence increases in equities, money will rotate out of gold. Costco. So you could buy more. To hurt the BRICS nations. Gold bars don't yield interest, government securities do. Once Cramer started pushing Costco's bullion sales on CNBC, it was over. Never ignore the reverse Cramer indicator. I read something about BRICS, kinda like NATO forging a new currency backed behind gold, also adding other nations by the end of the year. Probably a dump to show that gold can't be as sustainable. The news outlets caught wind of Costco. Now that the public is in the know, it must fall, as the public can't be allowed to participate in the market. US dollar strength is causing the weakness in gold. If you look at gold in euro or yen, it looks a little better. BRICS and other US adversaries want to return to a backed currency, and gold is the best one to use. Fuck off Bitcoiners. The US holds the most still, so crashing the market and baiting the US into dumping a big stack of theirs is a must if you want a gold-backed world order to not be dominated by America still. Best to stack physical gold bars in case of apocalyptic event. You can train gold bar for a Twinkie. Then the guy you traded with will bloodagon you to death with it and finally put you out of you misery. God damn it, if gold going down, then these hedgies know something we don't. I bet the future epoch we all been buyin' gold fair ain't happenin'. These fucking hedgies fucked us again. Look at what the dollar is doing. People are starting to believe that J. Powell is serious about lower inflation. Younger people probably rather buy corn. They also found a shitload of gold recently in Uganda. Gold isn't crashing. The dollar is up 5 over the last couple of months. Dollar XAU USD is down 5 over approximately the same time period. Gold is holding its value. Business as usual. Bonds are stealing gold's donuts. Plot twist, it's not cratering. Precious metals are a joke. Invest in ammo before gold. Bullets are going to be more valuable in a society with a disappearing economy. No. Why buy gold if there's Bitcoin? I thought I was in our grand exchange bets for a second. Money printer is low on ink. Dollar currently not getting significantly diluted. Dollar currently looks better than gold. Once the continuing resolution is passed, the printers go back to running. Then money will shift from the dollar to gold. It's tough to eat and it's uncomfortable to wipe your ass with it. Long corn on the cob. Corn. Too many WSB regarded gold bulls. Inverse FTW. Higher rates for longer. Why own something that literally just sits there when Uncle Sam will give you 5.5 risk-free? Plus inflation is being murked. It's all priced in IMG emote T52TH52, 27189 priced into what? That I have absolutely no clue, but it's priced in. 'Cause gold is for stupid soldier of fortune prepping idiots. Paper gold is being used to manipulate GLD pricing to convince you it is not a place to park your dollar to ride out the storm. Keep buying puts. Aliens. It's not. It falls with the market and sometimes leads market declines. Just to snap back up during market turmoil. I'll be long gold in a couple weeks. Because Costco is selling it cheaper than the jewelry stores. Although they may have sold out already. Plus everyone is dumping gold for platinum plug stonk for EVA. Gorilla Gem Rock. Because Costco is selling gold bars. They might as well have rung a bell at the top. WTF is the hype about gold. It has uses in electronics. For thousands of years it was one of the metals used as money, but others were used and it has a history of being inflated. The British Empire made everyone use it for a while until WW2. Even before then the lack of gold caused depressions. X200B. But yet it's some magical money that is better than our system. Deficit is dropping. China is crashing, so the demand for jewelry collapsed. 'Cause Glenn Beck made a Terabad commercial? There was a bunch of gold found in a shipwreck in the Caribbean recently. People who know about it before news comes out are selling in advance to make some dollar. Because people just dig it up out of the ground. When they need more they just make the hole bigger. It's an old industry. Lots of people taking a cut before it gets to market. Because I think gold is worthless. I don't wear jewelry, what else can I do with a hunk of metal? Glenn Beck told me to buy gold. JP Morgan thought they had a few metric tons of it in a warehouse, but it turned out to be brass. So they need to drive the price down to fill their warehouse. Rocks fall. It's all about yield. No one is putting money into metals when they can get 5 in CDs or treasuries. Gold will continue to decline as rates increase. Once rate cuts begin, expect gold to go higher. Aliens have found alternative energy source to run their UFOs. People are buying it for a lower price and people are selling it for a lower price. The crash is called off. Obviously gold is only worth it when cash is bad. Rates at the long end. It's Gina, with their thumb on the balance, hoping to sell the rest of that worthless Bitcoin to regards who can't find another promising risk asset. Dollar is rising. Are you asking people here? 'Cause you can get a $100 and a hot dog for only $1.50. It's cratering because it's about to bottom and begin a massive rally. See what I did there? You talkin' about that heavy fiat? New season of Oak Island coming out soon. News about to break that Rick and Marty hit the jackpot. Because Peter Aschoff said it would go up. IMG emote T52TH524275. Because I just bought some? Since when is 1.5 a crash? Because it's priced in dollars and isn't a unit of exchange. It's insurance. Hedge against monetary disaster. Binary trade. It's lame. Why own it when you can get 5 on a 2-year bill? Dollar strength.